Question 14. How did experimental science emerge? Answer. Experimental science, such as physics, chemistry, and biology, emerged due to belief in God. As a result of this belief, people believed that the world is orderly and organized, with design in it. So people began to look into the design and laws of the world, and experimental science emerged. Thus, the beginning of science is religion. As long as the world was created by God, it must be full of precise and amazing laws that govern it. And as long as we are created and tasked, therefore we can comprehend these laws that God created, because this understanding of the laws leads to the acknowledgement of the marvelous creation and wondrous craftsmanship. People expected the existence of amazing laws and systems in the universe, and from here, the exploration of the world began, leading to the emergence of experimental science. Therefore, Peter Atkins, the contemporary atheist and professor of chemistry at the University of Oxford, asserts that science originated from religion. The foundations of experimental science were established by religious scholars throughout history, such as Jabir ibn Hayyan, who was born towards the end of the era of the Companions and was nicknamed the first chemist. He laid down the foundations of the experimental method in scientific research and holds a place in chemistry comparable to that of Aristotle in logic. According to Francis Bacon, he was the first to teach the science of chemistry and was the first to discover acids and alkalis, giving them the name by which they are still known in both the West and East, alkalis. Jabir ibn Hayyan was one of the companions of Imam Jafar al-Sadiq. May God have mercy on him. He was a student of the Holy Quran and all the experimental scientists and founders of contemporary experimental sciences. They were followers of divine laws, so the monotheistic, faith-based view represented the historical foundation of modern science. It gives us confidence in observation and confidence in the validity and stability of laws, and that they have meaning and purpose. The universe is not a series of random hypotheses. Science only had meaning because there was a law in nature, and people believed in this law because they believed in the existence of a lawmaker. They believed in the purpose and meaning of existence, and in the nature of existence as something created with precision. If it weren't for these precedents, there would be no science, and people wouldn't know the meaning or truth of science.